here we are. We should be done. And as you can see, our PayPal account has... Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can link your PayPal account to your GCash account. So as we all know, PayPal is a payment service that's founded by Elon Musk. And then GCash is a e-wallet that's mostly available currently only in the Philippines. And it is actually very convenient when it comes to cashing in and cashing out. So how do we connect these two payment services to make our lives easier? It's easy. Here we are currently on GCash, and what I need you to do is go to profile on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you'll find linked accounts. Click on it, and here we'll find PayPal. So right now we need to wait for it to load because the arrow on the right side still hasn't popped out yet. And as you can see, it's finally here. Just click on it. I seem to have clicked on the wrong one. Let's click on PayPal again. And here we are. We're going to be redirected to the PayPal website where it will ask us for authorization to connect to our GCash account. So it's taking a bit while. Let's wait for it for a bit. Do you want to hear an awesome fact? Top 5 awesome facts about the Pacific Ocean. It is the deepest ocean in the world. Oh, wait, we're already here. Alright, so we're here. We just need to log into our PayPal account. Alright, after you put your credentials, you're going to be asked for a security challenge, which is just an easy CAPTCHA. If you're lucky. I wonder which CAPTCHA we're getting this time. Please let it... Oh, wait, no. No CAPTCHA. Just check. And they know we're human. So just agree to their terms and conditions. And then continue to GCash. And here we are. We should be done. And as you can see, our PayPal account has been successfully linked to our GCash account. When we press OK, what we should be getting is now a cash-in option from PayPal to our GCash account. And so that's it. You have connected your GCash to your PayPal. I hope this video helped you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.